Here we are, room tour, room 11 at the Parkview Hotel in Orange. Yeah, the door you need to be pushing a bit. You turn right, there's a toilet and showers. And a bathroom. With towel, soap. It's got conditioners, body wash included. Like most motels in Australia now, you have to bring your own toothbrush and toothpaste. There's a mini fridge with bottled water. I think they're included, I'm not sure. Coffee and milk. Cupboards. Extra blankets. Extra pillows. And a bed. The view is not that great. That's it. That's the room. Nice, simple. The pub is downstairs. Can't hear any noises, which is good. Music was quite loud too. As you exit the room, we're actually on the second floor. There is no lift here, so it's made known that there is no lift. And there's a beer garden, which has loud music. This is a pub. And the beer garden. It's got a nice and an outdoor football, outdoor TV, so you watch footy. They say dinner serving at 5:30. Oh, there's dinner here, yeah. And I better be quick so I don't hear this music. Laundry. See, it's all quiet in here. More accommodation. And you exit. Pub. You got it. And we're back on the main street of the Summer Street, Parkview. Yep, beer garden is just over there. Park. Obviously the best choice for parking is around here. But yeah, on a weekday, it's only 1 hour parking. Something to be aware of. So this is the rear entrance of, side entrance of the Parkview Hotel. You can park your car here. It's quite lit up at night. So it's also the rear entrance for a lot of restaurants on the main street. So this is the beer garden at night at the Parkview Hotel in Orange. As you can see, there's no one outside. I don't blame them. It is freezing at the moment. I am shaking to the core, and it's only 6:30 at night. Well, I ordered the pork and fennel ragu, and they gave me the crab and spinach spaghetti instead. Oh, crab and prawn spaghetti. That's not bad, I'm not complaining. I'll take it anyway. This is at the Parkview Hotel. Okay, conclusion. Good serving of prawns and pasta and lots of garlic, I think, dry garlic. Can't really taste the blue crabs, the blue swimmer crabs there, but it's still very delicious.